Welcome to Week 2, Mastering the Art of Getting Data. Today, we're moving from messy spreadsheets to automated insights, transforming the way you handle data. The hidden cost of manual reporting is significant. 80% of an analyst's time is spent on repetitive data work. Power BI provides the solution by creating a permanent, automated bridge. Automate repetitive tasks to reduce operational costs and free up valuable analyst time for strategic insights. The most common ways to connect include Excel and CSV for local and legacy reports, and SQL databases for enterprise-level scale. You can also use SharePoint and OneDrive for cloud-first automated refreshes, or web and APIs for pulling data from live sources. Think of Power Query as the kitchen. Raw data, the groceries, is messy and full of errors. Power Query is where you wash, chop, peel, and prep it. The final result is a clean report, the meal, ready for stakeholders. The key insight is that we always transform data. We don't just load it. This is the most important decision in Power BI. Clicking Load brings messy data, causing chaos and hours of fixing. Transform Data opens Power Query, giving you control to clean and shape your data before it arrives. Always choose Transform Data. Your automation script, without coding, is based on the recipe concept. Every action is recorded as an applied step. This script is repeatable for new data and is non-destructive to your original files. It is also traceable, allowing you to review every transformation step. The power of Connect to Folder is huge. Instead of manually copying new monthly files, Power BI automatically appends new files dropped into the folder. This reduces hours of work to a single click, leading to faster reporting cycles and more timely decision-making. Don't let these issues slow you down. Avoid the data dump by only importing necessary columns. Turn off the auto-date/time setting and fix messy data types in Power Query. A common roadblock is data privacy levels, which should be set to organizational for most internal sources. Experts follow the golden rule: fix it as far upstream as possible. The best option is to fix it in the source, like SQL. It's great to fix it in Power Query, the kitchen. Avoid fixing data with DAX formulas, as this slows down your visuals. Your 5-minute challenge is to build your first automated data bridge. Open Power BI, connect to an Excel file, and click Transform Data. Then, rename a column and change a data type before hitting Close and Apply. You've just written your first automation script. Now, reflect on one manual data task you do weekly and consider how Power BI could automate it. Coming up next week is the Power Query Deep Dive. Now that you've built the bridge, it's time to master the tools inside the kitchen, including the magic buttons that clean 1 million rows in seconds. Ready to elevate your data? Let's transform your messy spreadsheets into a strategic asset. You can schedule a strategy call, join our Power BI WhatsApp group, or contact us via email.